Hi everyone. Today we will solve these SAT questions. Let's start. In the first question, we are given a group of students voted on 5 after-school activities. The bar graph shows the number of students who voted for each of the 5 activities. How many students choose activity 3? We see that the number is between 35 and 40. And in the answers, only 36 is here. That is why the answer is 36 here. What percentage of 300 is 75? We see that when we multiply 75 by 4, we will get 300. It means that when we divide 100% by 4, then we will get 25. It means that 75 is 25%, or in other words, quarter of 300. The answer is A, quarter. And here it is B. What is the solution to the given equation? We have that x squared is equal to 36 times 25, which is 900, and we will get x1 equal to 30 and x2 is equal to minus 30, and we only have positive numbers, so the answer is 30, B. 3 more than 8 times a number x is equal to 83. Which equation represents this situation? It says 3 more, so plus 3, and 8 times a number x, 8x. So we have that 8x plus 3 is equal to 83, and we have this here in the variant D. The scatter plot shows the relationship between two variables x and y. Which of the following equations is the most appropriate linear model for the data shown? We can see that this relationship has a downward decreasing trend, and when x is equal to 0 in our linear equation, y should be more than 9. And overall, we can see that the only appropriate variant is D, because here, when x is equal to 0, then y will be 9.4, which is higher, closer to 10, as you can see here. Also, it has decreasing trend, so that is why it indeed satisfies our 11. The given equation describes the relationship between the number of birds B and the number of reptiles R that can be cared for at a pet care business on a given day. If the business cares for 16 reptiles on a given day, how many birds can it care on this day? We can see that there are 16 reptiles, and reptiles it is R here. It means that 2 half B plus 5 times 16 is equal to 80, and we know that 5 times 16 is equal to 80. That is why here B should be 0. So at that day we cannot care any birds, so the answer is 0, A here. 12. What is an equation of the graph shown? We say that when x is equal to 0, then y will be minus 8, and it has a decreasing trend, and if x is equal to minus 8, then y will be 0, so it means that the answer is C. You can check it by yourself. If 13, if x divided by 8 is equal to 5, what is the value of 8 divided by x? Actually, 8 divided by x is equal to 1 divided by x divided by 8, and we know that it is equal to 1 over 5, because we know that x divided by 8 is 5. So the answer is 1 over 5. The solution to the given system of equations is xy. What is the value of y? Firstly, we can subtract second equation from the first one, and in the end we will get 18x is equal to negative 24, and it means that x is equal to minus 4 divided by 3. Let's keep that in mind, and we will just use this. For instance, in this equation we can just write like this: 6 times negative 4 divided by 3, which is minus 8 plus y is equal to 72, then y will be 80 here. So we found that the xy pair that satisfies this equation is this one for x, which is minus 4 divided by 3, and 80 for y. We are asked to find y, so y is 80. So the answer is 80.